Hello students, welcome to Softsource classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET exam questions from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C of the mathematical sciences paper. Let's start off with question number 47. In question number 47 it has been said that we need to find out the value of a, b and c such that integration 0 to h f of x dx is equal to h into af0 plus b f of h by 3 plus c into f of h. So this is what we have been given. Is exact for polynomials f of degree as high as possible. Options are a equal to 0, b equal to 3 by 4, c equal to 1 by 4. These are the various values of ABC that we have been given. So we have been given that for some values of ABC, integration 0 to h f of x dx is equal to h into a into f of 0 plus b into f of h by 3 plus c into f of h. This very terms is exact for polynomials f of degree as high as possible. So this is the question, and we need to find out the values of ABC as required. So now if we take, so basically we can take a general function fx, which is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square, and this will go on up till a n xn. So as you can see, this function, this very polynomial is of degree equal to n if and only if a n is not equal to 0. This is the primary condition. So now if we take, if fx is equal to 1, then that implies, then we can write down integration 1 dx, which goes from 0 to b is equal to h into a plus b plus c. This is what we get. So therefore we'll get that a plus b plus c is equal to 1. This is the first equation. I've committed a mistake. This will be not b, this will be 0 to h. So as you can see, if it is 0 to h, and since f of x is constant, that is equal to 1, so therefore f of 0 is also equal to 1, f of h by 3 is also equal to 1, and f of the father function is f of h is also equal to 1. So therefore we can say that if this part is integrated, this will be h, and h is cancels out, so we'll get a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So this is the first equation. Now if we take if f of x is equal to x, so that will give us integration 0 to h x dx is equal to h into a into f of 0 is basically a into 0, b into f of h plus 3, that will be h plus 3, and c will be equal to c into f of h, that will be equal to h. So this is what we are getting, and this will come down to h square by 2 is equal to h square into b by 3 plus c. So this will give us b by 3 plus c is equal to 1 by 2, and this will give us 2b plus 3c, 2b plus 6c rather, 2b plus 6c is equal to 6, which is the equation 2. Now we'll take f of x is equal to x square. Now if f of x is equal to x square, so this will give us integration 0 to h x square dx is equal to h into a into 0 plus b into h square by 9 plus c into h square. So upon solving it, we'll get the equation b plus 9c is equal to 3, which is the equation 3. So we have three values to find out, a, b, c, and we have 3 equations. So upon solving, on solving 1, 2 and 3, we'll get that a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3 by 4, and C is equal to 1 by 4, which is nothing but the option 1. So option 1 is the correct option. So today we have solved a question, which is question number 47, which came in the CSIR UGC NET question of June 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Shop's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.